Hello, I'm Clarissa, and we are going to be going over the clog points on your vacuum, going over it in depth. I'm going to press lift away so you can get to the neck first of all. On the bottom, follow the directions of the arrows to turn these large pins so that you're able to get in and open the hose. Any obstructions, zip ties, bobby pins and things will get stuck in here, or if your vacuum gets wet. If it is snowy outside, you have to set your vacuum down, it'll make all that into like a mud sometimes and get stuck in there. So after you look in the hose, no obstructions, clean your brush roller. You can do that using a X-Acto knife. After your brush roller is clean, you can see through it. There's no obstructions in the base. You can move on. This is the chassis of the vacuum, and there's an elbow joint back here. The hose detaches from that. More things like leaves and bobby pins, again, they're the vacuum killer. They'll be found here. If you suck those up, there's also a little porthole on the side that is see-through. After you've looked there, there's no obstructions. The next place you'll want to do, work your way up, look at the receptacle. In the top, there's a narrow space for anything you suck up to get through. So if you have a home that has a lot of hair, sometimes that'll get stuck up here. If that is clear, you can see through this that leads down to the porthole. You'll move on by releasing the wand and releasing it from the handle. Look all the way through the wand to ensure that there are no obstructions. Same thing with the hose, or with the handle. Look through the handle. Hose is see-through. If there is still nothing, and you couldn't find any obstructions up to this point, there could be something in the hose that you're not seeing outright. So what you'll do is you'll put it all back together. You'll turn on the vacuum. While the vacuum is on, you'll test the suction. If you're not getting any suction here, then there is something in the hose. If it's somewhere else throughout the vacuum, there could be a mechanical error, or like with this one, the porthole is broken. So the suction is lost down here before you get to it. There could also be a hole in the hose itself. Those are the declog points.